How to fix Steam not opening? First step, repair the Steam service. Right click Steam, click Properties, copy the address in the target section, click OK, open Run, paste the address here. After pasting, type space slash repair, type it and click OK. It will automatically repair and the Steam will be automatically open. If it's not opening means then move on with next step. Allow Steam through firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Steam not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Steam folder. Scroll down. Click the Steam application. Click it and click add in the bottom side. Once adding after, you need to click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Next step, delete Steam cache files. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Steam folder. Click it. Click the HTML cache and delete the cache. Close it. Open this PC. Go to C drive. Click program files. Click Steam folder. Click app cache and delete the app cache. Close it. The next step, right click Steam, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Next step, open this PC. You have enough memory space. If you're not having means sometimes the error will occur. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Once scanning complete after, it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Close it and move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings, scroll down and check for Steam. The GPU preference, it should be in high preference or else depends on you, you can set it, and the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If it is not having means click add desktop app or add Microsoft Store app and add it. Thank you.